Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Insert key on Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. As you can see on the keyboard there is this Insert key and underneath there is the scroll lock. So in order to use the scroll lock you will need to press on Fn combined with that key. But to use the Insert, just click on it like without the Fn key. And I'm gonna show you how it works in a text editor because Insert is used in text editors. So as I, for example, type in something like name and dots, then if without the Insert key, I position my cursor at the beginning of these dots, then as I type anything, you can see that it shifts the dots. But if I click on the Insert key on my keyboard, then you can see that what I type replaces these dots, and that's how Insert works. So now I can disable the Insert, go to the beginning here, type in Sir to change it to surname, but maybe later on change my mind. Click on the Delete key to delete what's in front of the cursor, so like the name. Then I'm gonna go to the front, to the beginning of that. Turn on Insert and replace Sir with age, like that. And this is basically how the Insert key works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.